Hi guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had a positive week this week. So this week I'll be sharing with you guys the sprayed edge makeover I did on Hotel Magnifique by Emily J. Taylor. So here is the front cover. Now I wanted to show off how stunning this cover is to you guys. I fell in love with this cover the minute that my customer showed it to me. I have now bought this book for me to read myself because just wow. And the premise sounds so interesting as well, so I will be sure to check that out. I believe the cover designer was Christy Radwilowski. Cover illustration by Jim Tierney. So amazing job, Christy and Jim. Fantastic. Amazing. As you can see, it's very much inspired the sprayed edge. So this is what we did for the sprayed edge. Running all the way around, we've got these peacock feathers, top, bottom, sides, all the way around to set off the book. Anyway, enough wishing from me. Let's jump into that time lapse. Let's get another look at the book. So again, we've got this running all the way around, these peacock feathers running all the way around to set off the book and match the cover. I don't think it comes across on camera just how much I love the outcome of this book. I like holding it in my hands, I'm just like, this is so cool. It's definitely one of the favorite designs I've done so far. It just looks phenomenal. I am so pleased with the outcome. But what do you guys think? Would you have done different colours? Would you have done a different design? Do let me know down in the comment section below. Have you read this book? If you have, do be sure to let me know what you guys thought of it, because I'm going to be reading it really soon. And I'm very excited to jump in on that one and just dive in and tear through it. I'm one of these people that doesn't, you know, read in small sections. If I'm going to read, I'm going to sit down for a day and read a book in one sitting, because I have no impulse control, which is why I have to be very careful about when I start books, because it will bleed into the work day, and that is a problem. Okay, I'm not sure what else there is to let you guys know about. I've got For the Wolf coming up soon, which is a complete rebind. That is going from a paperback with these deckled edges. I don't like deckled edges. I think they look messy. I think they look untrimmed. They look like the machine has chewed the page. And I don't understand why you would have a machine cut deckled edges in straight lines. I don't understand that. You know, if it's supposed to mimic like old time books, if they're supposed to look weathered, why have you got this pristine, perfectly beautiful paperback cover and these pristine 90-degree edges that we just cut to different edges? Like, if you're gonna do it, commit. But that is obviously a preference rant. But yeah, so we got rid of those deckled edges, cut them off, put a sprayed edge on it, and I'm going to rebind in hardcover with custom designing all the way around. And I do love how it's turned out. It's sort of in a semi-finished state over in the corner right now, which is why I'm looking there, and it does look really good. So that'll be coming up soon. I'm not sure what I'll be doing after that. But if book makeovers and sprayed edges and general book talk is your thing, do be sure to stick around, hit the bell, like, subscribe, all of those awesome things. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far. I can't believe that we've got this many people on my channel, like OMG. Whew, wow. Yeah, this is kind of intense. So thank you to everybody who's subscribed to my channel. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope you guys have positive weeks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.